So hey there everyone, I'm just going to go over some ski drills that you can do when you're on this piste or when you go on your ski vacation. Now if you go onto a ski school, they should give you some ski drills to help you learn to get better at skiing. Now there's hundreds, well not hundreds, there's loads of ski tips, ski drills you can do. I'm just going to go through a few of them now. Some of them are really easy, they go to advanced. They're really good for you. I suggested you try them. I tried to film this all by myself, so the camera work is well, hopefully okay, you can see what I'm doing. So we're going to start off with basically just putting your skis on and walking around. So what I want you to do is clip your boots into the bindings. And walk around. If you've never been on skis before, it can feel clumsy because you've got two big planks. Walk around, you do 360s, find out what is good for you so you get used to the skis before you get onto the slope. So find a nice flat area to do this one. Your instructor should show you how to do this one. It's really easy to do. Once you get master this, you can do turns around, so then you can start on the easy blues.